Hello, everybody. My name is Jocelyn Herrera-Hernandez, and I will be presenting robotics in Singapore. So, what is robotics? So, robotics is a branch of engineering and computer science, but this one mainly focuses on the design, construction, and operation of robots to replicate or substitute human actions. Most of these robots rely on core capabilities to interact with the world. Um, those basic core capabilities include sensing, which basically means that they use cameras, touchpads, or temperature gogs to gather information about their surroundings. Thinking, which processes the data through an internal computer brain or microcontroller to decide what action to take next. And lastly, acting, which is using monitors and mechanical parts to move, lift, or manipulate objects. Um, and summary, basically, robotics basically it combines mechanical engineering, electrical systems, and software program. So, who is using robotics? So, robotics are being used globally throughout the whole entire world by major industries, including manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. In Singapore, it is used across key sectors like public services, healthcare, and construction and manufacturing as well. So where are they using robotics? Again, the main countries that are currently using robotics include South Korea, Singapore, and Germany. Use robotics the most based on industrial robot density per 10,000 manufacturing employees. And also as I mentioned before, they're also used in globally in several different industries, basically in manufacturing and assembly, medical and surgical assistance, warehouse logistics and delivery, agriculture, and daily consumer tasks like cleaning and Lawn maintenance. So, why is Singapore using robotics? So, not only do robotics make simple tasks, are able to complete simple tasks that humans usually do, but they also help combat severe labor shortages, manage an aging population, and boost economic productivity. Robotics also helps again advance manufacturing, healthcare, hospitality, also in manufacturing as not automotives and stuff like that. So, when are robotics being used? So, robotics are being used now as we speak, right now as we speak. They are actively using and expanding robotics across multiple sectors, not just in the industries that we mentioned previously, but also in construction sites, public security, and logistics hubs as well. So, how can robotics help with regarding SDGs? So, they actually help in many, many ways. For instance, it can help increase productivity by creating high skilled jobs in robotics engineering and by improving logistics and warehouse operations. Although it may seem that robots are taking over other people's jobs, they still can't 100% be relied on. So humans do, or other people do, make sure that the robots are still doing the day-to-day tasks correctly. It can also help monitor construction sites and assist surgeons with minimal invasive procedures, again, because we cannot solely rely on robots 100% right now. So here are my two truths and one lie. All robots have artificial intelligence and can think and make decisions exactly like humans. Robots are widely used in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics to improve efficiency and accuracy. And lastly, some robots are controlled remotely by humans. And here are my resources in which I got most of my information. thank you so much for listening about my presentation about robotics, and hopefully this gave a little bit more information about what robotics are and how they are used specifically in Singapore.